Hi class, welcome back for math today. We are going to start out with our subitizing like we usually do. Don't forget to put it on your hands and then we'll shout it out together at the end. How many do you see? 5. How many do you see? 1. How many do you see? 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Very good. How many do you see? 6, 5, 6. Very good. How many do you see? 2. 1, 2. Last one. How many do you see? 7. 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Very, very good. Let's go ahead and get started with our number writing. I would love to see your numbers from 0 to 20. I would love to see your handwriting skills and your number writing skills. If you forget how to write a number, that's okay. Just go ahead and watch Pink Fong video and it will show you how to write the numbers. All right, let's go ahead with number recognition. All right, ready? Go. 6, 4, 3, 0, 2, 1, 10. Loud and proud. 9, 5, 7, 18, 13, 16, 8, and 20. Very, very good. Let's go ahead and do our shapes. We're going to go right in order. Let's see how quick we can shout these out. Go. Hexagon, circle, diamond, oval, square. Very good. Triangle and rectangle. Excellent. Let's do our 3D shapes now. Same thing. Go in order. Shout it out loud and proud. Ready? Cylinder, prism, circle. Oh, Miss Lucy made a mistake. This is not a circle, is it? No, it's a sphere because it's a 3D shape. It looks like a circle, but it's a 3D shape, so it's a sphere. Very good. How about this one? Cube, pyramid, cone. Very good. Let's do a practice problem together. This says solve. That means figure out the answer. Okay? So we are going to do 12 plus 3 and find the answer. Okay? Now, there are 2 ways that we can do this. We can draw a line down the middle, like our 10s and 1s. And we can do it separately. We can do 2 plus 3 and find the answer of 5, 3, 4, 5. Put a 5 here, and then do 1 plus 0 equals 1 and figure out that the answer is 1, 5, which makes what number? 15. Very good. Or we can count on by starting with 12 because we don't have 12 fingers, do we? No, so we have to count on. That means we say the number out loud and then put our fingers up for the amount that we're adding on to it. So we start with 12. Everybody say 12. 12. Now put your fingers up with me. We're going to add how many fingers? 3 fingers. So 12, 13, 14, 15. Now I'm going to stop because I already put up 3 fingers and it only wants us to add 3. 12, 13, 14, 15. So what's the answer? 15. Very good. And if you remember the other way we did it, we got 1, 5. Is this 1, 5? Yes, it is. Very, very good, class. All right, today we are going to show, count, and write to answer how many questions are in an array. That means a group of things that are in order. So these are in rows and columns. That's called an array. Okay, so we are going to read the problem question. How many ducks do you count? How many ducks do you count? We have 2 to do. for ducks. We have these to count and these to count. Let's start over here. Go ahead and count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So what number do we count for these ducks? 16. So I need to write the number 16. How do we write 16? Oh, I hear it's a teen number, which means it starts with what? A 1. 16. What teen number is it? 16. So what number should I do next? 6. Very, very good. Let's try the next array of ducks. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so it's telling me that there's 5 in the first row. So how many do you think are in the second row since it's the same size? 5. So let's count 5, 10, 15, 16. Good. 5, 10, 15, 16. So let's write number 16. It's a teen number, so it starts with a 1. And it's 16, so what comes next? 6. Very, very good. You can also look and see, oh, here's a group of 10. One group of 10, so we have 1 in the tens column, and 6 extra ones, 5, 6. So 6 in the ones column. Very, very good. Let's go ahead and do one more together. This says count the stars and write how many. So we got to do the same thing that we did with the ducks, but we have to do it with stars, okay? Let's count together. Count with me. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. How many did we count? 12. Very good. Who knows how to write number 12? 1, 2. Exactly right. It's at the top of the clock. The answer is 12. 1, 2. Very, very good, class. All right, I have one more question for you. In the space below, and since you can't draw on the screen like we used to be doing at school, I would like for you to get out a notebook and a pencil and do this in that, or on your whiteboard as well. In the space below, so on your notebook or on your whiteboard, draw 12 squares in rows. So it shouldn't be a square over here, a square over here, a square over here, a square here, 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 kind of random squares. It needs to be in rows. So it needs to look like these. They need to be in line next to each other. You can have 3 rows, you can have 4 rows, as long as you draw 12 squares in rows, okay? I would love to see the picture of your squares that you drew in a row. And remember, a square looks like this. It's 4 sides that have corners like this, okay? Very, very good. After this, you can go ahead and do our typical math centers. I would love to see your number writing and your squares that you drew in rows today. All right, class, I will see you tomorrow for our morning meeting.